let's try this lash kit that I saw Laura using. I'll leave her TikTok somewhere on here. Okay, so my kit came with the Bond, the lock, the oil-based remover, the lashes, and the straight tweezers instead of like the little curvy ones. Even the indent is curvy. I don't know. Let's zoom in. So I'm just copying what she does. I'm not even gonna read the instructions. I'm scared for my life, y'all. So I'm taking a 13. Then I'm taking a 12. I'm taking another 12. This is an 11. Fighting for my life to put on this 9. Okay, I zoomed you in so you can see my before and after. How do we feel about them? I think I didn't do too bad and it went pretty quickly, except for that 9 for being my first time. Let me do the other side. Here we are with both sides done, and y'all, as somebody that has super sensitive eyes, I was so nervous to try this, but it was so quick, it was so easy, no issues. I will make a removal video whenever I remove these, but I ain't scared to go a little fluffy on the edges next time, you know? Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys really soon.